TAMIYA 1/10 scale Jeep Wrangler body kit, original, in its original box. But it's not. Let's see what's inside. Some of you will probably remember that around 2009, I took a shell and I cut it up. And I started to build the ogre. And I have recovered. So, just some details. The rear door has a working hinge. Needs to be refixed. Some seats that I made that I'll probably replace. The hood, the hinges are missing, but it does have a working latch on the front. The hood is removable. I did all the detail on the underside, as well as replace the hooks. The body itself was pretty extensively modified. I do have a hook here. As you can see, the spring, it is spring loaded. If you can get that detail. All the underside detail, the firewall, inside and out, as well as the floor. All made from styrene. Also did have the dashboard that I originally started. So I have the chassis somewhere that I have to rebuild. There it is. It's coming back, and I will finish it.